Hello, we are Daphna, Noah, Eden, Doreen, and Dadi, and we would like to tell you about the safari in our city, Ramat Gan. The safari is a huge place and it's a home for 1,600 interesting and exciting animals from all over the world.
Like elephants, monkeys, kangaroos, lions, and more. When you get in the safari, you immediately feel like you're in a jungle because all of the vegetation, the lakes, and the unique voices that the animals make.
Every visitor can rent a little car and travel in it all of the safari. Moreover, part of the animals are endangered, which means that your visit in the safari will be a very special experience that you would remember for your entire life.
In the safari there are a hospital for animals and the petting area for the little kids. To sum up, a lot of people come to the safari.
Have a great time and leave it with the great memories. So, go and get tickets. Thank you for listening.